This is the green model. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me with my previous video upload, I've been discussing about collecting the F-91 models, which at the moment I have two models. I have already collected two, which is this one is the silver model with the model number F-91WM-3A, and another one which I acquired a few months ago. This is the latest model of the F-91. This is model number F-91WS-80F, and it has a transparent band. Okay, so I already bought another one. I just got it from the courier delivery this morning. The box is intact, and it's a little bit of dent, but the box is okay. So let's have a look at what is inside. Alright, so we have the green model. This is the F-91WM-3A, which is the green. Okay, so let's have a look at the watch now. Okay, so this is the watch. So just leave it here for a while, and let's have a look at the. Normally they will put the manuals on the back of the box. Okay, so what is inside is the watch manual. So this is the module number 587-590, 393, 596, and 1271. Okay, so this is the usual manual, and of course you have most of the languages in the world in this manual. Okay, so off with that. And let's have a look at the warranty card from the shop. Okay, so now let's go back to the watch itself. Okay, the time is not set. This is the green model, F-91 green model, but there is some sort of metallic paint in the green. Just show you with the lights on it. You can see that it's shining. Some sort of metallic paint with the green color. So this is the model number. Just look at it. It is the F-91WM-3ADF, which is the green model. Right. So this is the watch. In terms of size specification, it is similar with the other F-91 model, and however, I'm going to state the size of this watch for the benefit of those who don't have the information with them. Okay, so the case size is from here to here. The case size is actually 35.2 millimeter, and then a lug to lug over here about 38.2 millimeter, and the thickness of about 8.5 millimeter, and it's very light. The weight is about 21 gram, and the lug size is about 18 millimeter. The strap is resin, black color, and I think the size will be similar with the other F-91. Get the camera focus on the stainless steel case back. Okay, here we are. Set F-91W. Okay, let me show you the light. It's not really amazingly bright. However, you will still be able to see the watch in complete darkness. So there you are. This is the third F-91 that I have. So thanks for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye for now.